We are often asked how the magic of XR streaming works. I'm Luz and I'm more than happy to explain Hololight Stream to you in this video within 60 seconds. The traditional approach is to install XR apps directly on devices, but the limited processing power of the smart glasses result in low quality visuals and a restricted functionality of the XR app. For instance, a self-sufficient HoloLens 2 device is only capable of managing 1 million polygons at once. Developers need to downsize and streamline 3D models so that they can fit their XR app, with the result that nor the 3D models, neither the overall XR app look good. Now, how does the Hololight Stream approach work? Get the Hololight Stream SDK and easily implement it in your XR app via Unity. Consequently, the XR app can get installed either in the cloud or a local server. The server side will do the heavy lifting from now on. As a second step, you can install the client on your XR device. It will work from now on as a transmitter of sensor data, while it is also a receiver of rendered images from the cloud or the local server. Would you like to try Hololight Stream yourself? Then click on the link below.